Hey folks, so in the summer of 2023, Unity upgraded Playground. And one of the things that happened in that upgrade was that all of the files now reside in a folder called UnityTechnologies that contains the Playground folder that contains all of these elements. Now, unfortunately, if I'm trying to do anything with a conditional script, which means if I add component and do a conditional collision, which is going to require a box collider. Collider. Let's do a poly collider actually for our asteroid. Conditional collision. So this works fine, but then when I try and add a gameplay action for the conditional collision to call, which is basically the conditional collision is an if statement and the gameplay action is a then statement, it can't find any of them, and there's no way for me to add them and have them locate them properly. So what you want to do is you want to take your scripts folder and you want to just drag it and drop it onto your assets. And in fact, I'm thinking that I might want to just take everything from my Playground folder and move it in. I don't see why that would actually not be a great idea. But I've tested it with the scripts and they work fine. So now if I select this asteroid, my conditional collision is still working. And now when I go and try and set up part of the then statement, everything works. So a lot of the tutorials that I have set up use things like consume resource action or destroy action or load level action or on-off action. And none of these are accessible unless you move the scripts folder back to its original location in assets. Maybe Unity will fix this at some point. I'll keep my fingers crossed that there'll be another upgrade to Playground in the near future. But in the meantime, this is the workaround. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions on any of the other tutorials about Unity Playground. Bye-bye.